I'm Sally from the V-ZUG Gourmet Academy, and today we're cooking with our culinary ambassador. This is Ian Curley. How are you?
I'm very well, Sal.
All right, we're doing another recipe. This is a sweet potato Filo Tart.
Yes.
So what ingredients do we have?
We're going to use some eggs, rocket, beautiful fresh spinach, some feta, lemon and dill. And also
Beautiful.
to finish obviously with the sweet potato, and we're going to have a phyllo pastry case.
Perfect. So we've already steamed our sweet potato in the Combi-Steam.
Yes.
And we're going to cook this using our beautiful Bakeomatic, which is that automatic cooking
Absolutely.
program. So we're just going to scroll to Bakeomatic. I'm going to select flan, medium brown, and that's it. So I'll get started on the phyllo.
Yep.
And we need to just make sure that this doesn't get too dry. So we're going to work nice and quickly. And we're going to just layer some of this into the bottom of our tart tin. Now this is quite a rustic sort of tart, so we're not too fussy, and we need to layer some butter in there just to help to keep it moist but also help it brown and get crunchy.
How many layers do you do?
I'm doing 3.
Okay.
So nice and quick, and then we just sort of scrunch in those edges to create that base for the rest of our tart.
Cracking the eggs. And now I'm going to add the cream to the eggs, some salt and some pepper. And then just whisking, making sure all the yolks are broken.
Going to start layering some of these ingredients. So we'll grab this nicely steamed sweet potato.
Okay.
We'll do 1 layer of the sweet potato. Now the sweet potato is being cooked with some nutmeg as well as some salt and pepper. So then we'll put some of the spinach on top, back with some more sweet potato on top. Then we're going to add some of our beautiful lemon and feta.
Good flavours.
Yeah.
Really nice.
Well, I love lemon zest, so that's probably enough. And then some nice big chunky pieces of this beautiful soft Persian style feta. All right, and that is looking good. Little bit of that egg goes in, just go slowly. And that's just going to sort of hold all our ingredients together. So we'll just finish our last little bit of dill on there. Put this into our preheated Combi-Steam ready for the Bakeomatic. Goes into the oven. And now we just wait for the oven to let us know when it's ready. This looks amazing.
Smells great too.
I know, Bakeomatic always does a really good job. Now we're just going to finish it. So we've just got some fresh rocket.
A little bit of rocket.
Yeah, some salt and pepper. I might grab some olive oil. Gorgeous. If you would like to find out more about our V-ZUG recipes, you can find V-ZUG on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks, Ian.
Thanks, Sal.